When delivered, it includes EWR, power supply and shunt. Tools and equipment that's needed for the installation is gas hose, 2 clamps, screwdriver and cutting pliers. Mount the EWR at a suitable place on the welding machine. As an option, you can get a bracket holder to facilitate the mounting. The EWR can be mounted in another place, for example on the wall close by. Shut the gas on the bottle or the outlet. Remove the hose from the bottle or outlet. Mount the gas hose from the welding machine on the outgoing connection on the EWR. Mount a gas hose with suitable length to the incoming connection. Mount the other end to the connection to the bottle or the outlet. Mount the contact from the shunt to the connection on the EWR and tighten the screw. Mount the shunt around minus or plus cable, either by loosening the cable attached to the welding machine or by opening the shunt and wrap it around the cable, then lock it again. The shunt can be mounted anywhere on the plus or minus cable. Mount the contact from the power supply to the connection on the EWR and tighten the screw. Then connect the power supply to the socket. Now the lamps on the EWR shall be lit. Make sure the valve that controls the flow is completely open. It's important that there is no reduction of the flow prior to the EWR. Open the flow at the bottle or outlet and make sure that there is no leakage in the connections or the gas hose. Now the red lamp on the EWR shall go out. Recommended gas pressure into the EWR is 4 to 5 bars. It's not recommended to weld if the pressure is below 2 bar. If the pressure comes down below 1 bar, the EWR stops and the red lamp is lit. Now the EWR is installed, but before welding starts, setting and optimizing of the gas flow should be done. 1 press is equal to 1 liter per minute. At the first press from the middle, 1 lamp is lit. Thereafter, 1 lamp is lit after every second press. Reduce the flow as low as possible with the minus button. If faults should occur when welding, increase the flow with the plus button until satisfying welding quality is achieved. Now the EWR is optimized and set for welding. Gas control lamp. For manual welding, a warning light connected to the EWR Pro can be fixed, for example, on the top of the power source. The light starts flashing when the pressure is below 2 bar and a constant light when the pressure is below 1 bar. Gas control, automation. If gas pressure is below 2 bars, a control signal is sent to the power source to stop welding. The gas control also sends out alarms for any leaks on an outbound hose if the pressure suddenly increases due to faults or total stop in the hose. Display. Shows outgoing gas flow in digital numbers. Shows error message such as too low incoming pressure, blockage in the outgoing hoses, a sudden change of pressure in the outgoing connection and leakage. Power connection with lock function. For eliminating the risk for unauthorized persons to change the setting on EWR Pro, a special power connection cable with a key lock is available.